Hey and welcome back. It's your boy Laxon, and today we're going to be checking out the new iPhone 15 Pro in the new neutral color. This year Apple killed the gold color for the first time in a very long time. But this year the 15 Pro actually comes in a new titanium edge finish, which is supposed to be lighter and stronger, but we'll have a look at that. But in this video I'm going to be unboxing the 15 Pro. Of course, I will be doing an unboxing of the standard 15 in a black as well as the Pro in black as well, so if you can get a different color option. But in this video, I am going to be focusing on the gold color or the neutral color. This year they've called it. But yeah, let's begin with the video. So this is the packaging itself. You can see we've got a picture of the phone in the dark version, where on the standard one you're getting a white background, like a light color background. On the Pro boxes, you are getting the dark color, which is really nice, and you do have little like natural got that natural finish, like a gold, but it's not gold. It's like the previous Apple Watch Ultra, which I already have here, similar to that color. I mean, yeah, but yeah, let's open it up. Yeah, let's just open this up. Ooh, okay. That's, I have to say, that looks really different. I mean, let's just take it out. Let's just put the phone to the side and let's see what we get inside. So, of course, you have a little Apple booklet inside here. You can see we've got designed by Apple in California, and you open up, you have your SIM tray. So if you still live in Europe or in Canada, you still get the SIM tray, but from USA, you only use eSIM. Of course, we got the standard booklet as well as a Apple sticker, which is always nice to see. From Apple. Let's put all of this away. And for the first time in iPhone, we are getting USB-C, but on top of that, we are getting this braided cable. Look at this, it's a braided cable. And of course, you have USB-C, which is new on the iPhone this year. And if you're not aware of that, then I literally don't know where you are living, but that is literally on everywhere. iPhone, USB-C. But yeah, let's have a look at this color. I mean, I don't know. It's hard to say. It's darker than what I expected, but it does match the Apple Watch, which I'm happy about, but I don't know. What do you guys think? Do you like this dark color, or would you go for the standard black, maybe the blue? Or as always, you can get the white one, but I don't know. This looks nice. But yeah, let's peel this front sticker off. It's always so satisfying to hear that. So of course, new this year is the Type-C. So on the bottom, there's no more lightning port. We have moved to Type-C after so many years, but it is finally here and I'm happy with it. One cable for everything now, finally. And of course, we do have the new action button, which is only available on the Pro lineup. So the Pro and the Pro Max, you get this new action button, which is like a programmable button. You can assign it to so many things, and I'll go through that as well later in the video. But yeah, it's there, so no more mute switch. Of course, you can keep it there as a mute switch if you want. You got your volume rockers, your SIM tray. On top, you got nothing. On this side, your power button, as always. And the back, we have the camera layout there. But I mean, the color is, I don't know. It's nice, but I don't know. I was expecting a more lighter color, a more mute color, but this is more like earthy feel. I don't know. I'm not a big fan of it. I don't know. I'm kind of surprised. I was not expecting this. On the pictures it looks much nicer, but in real life, I don't know. Let me know in the comment section what you think. Do you actually like this new color? Or would you prefer the gold-ish color? But yeah, let's just power this on. So yeah, this year we do have a new A7 Pro chip inside, which is a 3nm, and it's supposed to be extremely good and good for gaming as well. We have to test it out and see that. Of course, I will do a full review on this phone, give it a test, see how it works, and just give it a full try. So right now I've got my phone restoring from iCloud. Of course you can transfer directly from your previous iPhone, but I had to sell mine a bit earlier this time to get my phone, so that's doing that. So it is doing a backup from the cloud, which shouldn't take this long, but it is going. So let's just have a look at design. So this year Apple has changed to this titanium edging, like for the surrounding bits, and it's supposed to be a lighter and stronger, and it's actually a bit more curved this time as well, so it feels a bit different in the hand. I have to say that it's not more like, it's very hard to see on camera, but it's, as you can see, it's more like it's curved in, and the titanium looks nice, I have to say. Of course it picks up oil much quicker from your hand, as you can see here, but I mean, just the curvy bits actually feels really nice in the hand. But yeah, let's just have a look at a iPhone 15 to comparison. So let's have a look at the different edges or so. This year new on the 15 Pro is the titanium, but as well as it's a bit more curved on the side compared to last year. So here I have a 14 Pro. As you can see, the edge is more, it's more squared off. It's more harsh. You can feel it more, like it's edging into your fingers. But with this one, it's more smooth. Put them both side by side here. As you can see, we have a much smoother, where this is more rough. I actually prefer the last year's one, but holding the 15 in the hand actually feels much better. Like, I don't know, there's something with it. It feels really good. It feels nice, I have to say. Feels nice. No, let's bring the 15 in. No, I'm actually liking the new finish here. It actually feels nice in the hand. And feels lighter as well. Of course, titanium is always lighter than stainless steel. But yeah, I do like it. But the color, yeah, I'm still not 100% sure about this color. I mean, let me know in the comment section. But yeah, of course, we do have the action button, which is a programmable button. You can change the things you want to do. Like if you wanted to be a mute switch, you can just press it and it goes mute. If not, you can launch your camera, voice memos. If not, you can actually use Apple shortcuts to program into literally any sort of thing you want to do, from opening your favorite app, doing smart home animation, which is amazing, which I really love, and you can change it to a different program. You can actually enable Google with it. So when you're on press, you can open your Google Assistant. If you like me, using Google Home for your house, so that's really nice. So that's a nice touch of them. And of course, you have the USB-C. So Apple finally moved to USB-C across the 15 lines, but there's a difference. The standard 15 and 15 Plus only gets USB 2 standard on the Type-C, where the Pro line actually get USB 3, so you get much faster speed for transfer all the way up to 10 gigabytes, which is amazing. But the standard only gets the standard, which is around 480, I think, which is pretty slow, but it's still upgrade, so that's nice. And of course, Apple has made some tweaks to the camera as well, which is nice, which I'm going to do a full review on that, so make sure you are subscribed to see that. So yeah, the phone is now set up. It's asking me to do the action button, so we can do that. So we've got the silent mode, we've got like focus mode, so you can put on no disturb, sleeping if you got routine, camera button, flash, voice memo, magnifier, shortcuts, accessibility, and no actions. So you have a lot of different ones you can choose. For me, I'm just gonna now I just make sure, so you can pick whatever and you can try and press it, and it'll say off, hold to on, and then hold to off, which is nice. So as you can see, it actually takes a click. Will just show you what state it's in, and if you hold it, it will then do the change over. So from mute to unmute, just by pressing it in. So if I bring it up here, as you can see, single press, says on silent, still silent, but if I hold it, it's on ring now. That was, if off here, let's try the camera button. Goes into camera, which is nice. So I can be on like anywhere here, and I can just press the button, hold it, of course, goes to the camera. And of course, you can always change later onwards. So you just want to go to settings, scroll down to action button, and you can go in and change to anything you want. I'm just going to keep it on the silent switch for now. So that's okay for me. But yeah, my phone is going to reboot from how it was. So that will take some time. Let's compare it to the iPhone 15. I'm going to do a unboxing of this as well and a review. So make sure you are subscribed to my channel to see that video as soon as it goes live. And if you don't want to miss it out, make sure you hit that little bell icon so you don't miss out the video. But yeah, I have a 15 and a 15 Pro. You see, we do have a small difference. Of course, the camera bumps are a huge size difference where you have the third camera here, where we only have two. But otherwise, we have the same curves here. I know both the backs feels really nice this year with the frosted here. No, it looks nice. I'm actually digging this much more. Feels light as well. But yeah, that's just a quick comparison. And of course, I will have a full review comparing these two phones. I'll probably do the black one and black one of these so you can see much more comparison. So if you do want to see that video, make sure you subscribe to the channel. But yeah, of course, this was just a quick unboxing and first look on the new iPhone 15 Pro in the neutral color. Of course, I will have a full review of this very soon. So make sure you are subscribed to my channel. If you're not, do it straight away because I'm going to have so many iPhone 15 contents coming up in the next coming days and weeks. So make sure you subscribe, and as always, hit the little bell icon so you don't miss out any of my latest videos. And as always, thanks for watching the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.